Hi. Let's get this over. Hey guys, we're back with another video. It's up to today. We're gonna be doing a slime scam. It's gonna be the same person. It's gonna be me because nobody else don't want to do it. So it's gonna be me. So you make my braids on there, my head, but I'm gonna act like I'm the customer. Then I'm gonna act like I'm. But y'all might see my shirt is different. I never read the shirt before and the gas on it, so I'm the customer. Then I'm gonna act like I'm the server. Then I'm not gonna wanna be a mean scammer. See that? Oh no, sorry. Hello. Can I get two slimes with charms in it and one blue slime with not blue slime, one orange looking slime with that little like thing in it, and one caramel apple slime, and one guacamole slime please, and one booger slime. Thank you. In an hour. Alright, bye. Okay, so if you want one bar slime, two time slimes, two turns in it. One slime that got a light thing in it, and one guacamole, one caramel apple slime. I guess you should have others gonna be her. I'm gonna get a bar. I get Okay, so she wanted one booger slime, one this, and this. Her bad. It's already. Oh, I think she said this. I don't know. She said that. Okay, I'll just send it. And that's like all of my slimes. Okay. Let's go. Hey guys, we're back with another video. So today I got my slime back. Yes. And this from Unicorn Slime Cupcakes. That's a really weird name. But I got one. What's the name? It's in a one more bag. I don't care about the package. I care about this one. So I'm going to take all of them out. I have scraps on the front. I'm going to draw it out. But that's fine. I can do something to them. I guess I can do a little slime magic. I think I only ordered 5 or 6 slimes, and it looks like I have a million. But I guess some was my extra. I don't know. She's stupid, I guess. I don't know what's wrong with that lady. Okay, so I want to first start off with my charm slime that's in the cup. That's really weird packaging. Ew. Ew, what is that stuff? That's so disgusting. I said one charm, but I don't know. Ew, it's so sticky. It's glossy though. Blow these because they're gonna be some sticky slimes. Okay, let's go to the next one. And I think we're gonna be doing the slime smoothie. I think I don't know. I'm gonna get my money back. Okay, I think this is the this is the booger song because it looks like it's not a booger. Oh, that was correct, I believe it. And we have lasagna for dinner and corn. I might not eat corn. It's like corn on the cob, so I may have a mukbang with you guys with my little lasagna that my dad made. That almost worked it. Daddy, check on your corn too. I didn't know you was cooking the corn. Okay, so it's not that stretchy because it didn't have a cap on it, so it does not have stretchy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now I know that I didn't buy an extra. This is going back. No, this one is going back to her. This one is going back to her, so we're not gonna do that one. Okay. This looks disgusting. Is the food almost done? How does that sound? We haven't ate all that. I want to eat breakfast because we're running out of snacks. Yeah, this slime, I like this slime. And mine's not pretty rubbery. But that's fine. I don't care about the slime. I care about the texture. This is the guacamole slime. No, it looks pretty weird. Oh, my hands hurt. On crap. On crap. Oh, yeah, but this is it. Oh, this thing is happening. Okay, but this is how it looks. It looks pretty cloudy. I used to have a clear slime. That's guacamole. This is caramel apple because I've seen all the pictures and containers, so I know what all these ones are. It's tricky. I like it. And this is one I might like out of all of them. This one looks like it's glossy. Or not. It feels like when you gloss it, it feels like it's like, fluffy. When you try to, make it feel like it's glossy. Daddy is steaming!
Alright.
My dad's one is right there. Like right there. That looks like I don't know how to do it. I don't know how they do that, but yeah. Ah! Let me see. What's that other time? Oh, so this how many times I bought? Count those. Yes, I got 6. And she gave me this disgusting looking one and that one. I did not buy a side because I don't got that much money, okay? So, I don't know what she was thinking. Her mind was on something, but I don't know what it was on. Okay, but this is the second one. Okay? This is the second one. She must ran out of something, like, wrong go to mail. I like to do that. It's so fancy, I think. Oh, that is such a gloss. Something just far. I think that was slime. Something. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite one. Oops. It looks so good. It feels so good. It feels so weird. Like, what are these things in it, though? That looks so disgusting. They're like bird seeds. For real. Let's do this last one. Ooh, gotta get it right. Jesus have mercy. You're gonna have to get feisty. Let me stop. I'm talking I'm so good. I purchased it. Real. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take this key back because it won't even let me poke my bag. Oh, can't see it. Now this like is fluffy. Ooh. Okay, there we go. I don't like. I do vlogs. Like I might say I say Wednesday and Thursdays and Saturday and Sunday, but not Monday for some reason. It's because I got a lot of stuff to do. I gotta upload on Monday. There's so much stuff going on, so I gotta upload on Monday, edit it on Tuesday, and on Thursday, I just don't be feeling like doing YouTube. I just do something. I might edit a late video if I have a late video. I'm not gonna try to make one just to do a video. But if I get bored, I might do a video. So Thursday is like my break day / if I want to do it / board day if I want to do it. So yeah, I might be doing a little bit of vlogs. But I'm definitely gonna be doing on summer, and I might do videos on summer. I think in spring break. Woo woo. Leave a comment below if you be in school April. I don't know if we be in school April, but I think we do be in school April because I think it's March. So we're not here for June, July, or August. But you see, August is supposed to be the first month of school. So we're not here for 2 months. In school for 2 months. That's so good. It's gonna be smoke, guys. See? He do not know how to cook. Don't tell him that, but I said it, but he don't know how to cook. Oh my gosh, get up. Oh my gosh, knock it off. Oh my gosh, it just got glitter on my new shirt. Yeah, I gotta make just a shirt. Oh. Make some strong to get it off. Oh my gosh. I'm taking off this shirt right now. Let me stop. This is just a sport bra. Like, it's like a half shirt. I wear half shirts, but I don't wear them on camera because it'd be inappropriate. My dad says inappropriate. But this is my twin. I don't have a twin, but this is my twin. Hang on. Yeah, she had the wrong sign because she knows anything. And this is me. I just act 2 times. So I hope y'all like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and I want some subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. So sad. So sad. I have 0 subscribers, and I'm about to I think I'm about to do a first giveaway, and I don't have nobody. I don't even think I have anybody watching my videos. That's sad. But I'll tell y'all one of my videos, my father-son video. It's funny. It's not funny. Oh my gosh. Bye guys. That's what we do. Bye. Bye. Subscribe, please. God, this is me.